Yes. Welcome back to another day. So today is Tuesday, 17th of March. I'm actually taking this trade. Like I promised that I will document every trade I take one after the other throughout this month. We started yesterday, which happens to be middle of this month. And right now, today is the second day of the week, which is Tuesday. In this trade, right, I took this trade. I'm going to drop how I took this trade and how I took this trade and why I'm actually taking this trade. Actually, it's currently running about 200 pips right now. It's currently running about 200 pips. But my aim is what? 600 pips. Right, that's my aim. And this is how I took that. Now, yesterday, currently, if you were with me, I was saying I'm still looking for sell. Now, as soon as market takes out this eye, right, I took my sell right from here. But unfortunately, the market didn't come right there. And this liquidity right there is still calling the price to drop perfectly. Do you understand? Yeah, I'm not the market. I'm not the owner of the market. But it is what I see and what I trade is what I am talking about. So now on from the daily time frame, you can also see that it's now bearish, right? Although the daily time frame is letting us realize that market is currently at what? At the demand level right here. But on the 1 hour chart, right, is it bullish yet? No, it is not bullish yet. Now look at it, it is not bullish yet. Until this price is taken away, then before I can realize that okay, market is bullish, because right now there is no any change of character. All it's still pointing out is what? Sell, sell, sell. So right, and I took this sell immediately as market what? Market took out this eye. Market took out this eye and not broken above it. And therefore this is an order block right here. Resting right here, right? And what happened? Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. So you can see the other block clearly. Now look at the other block, right? What market is actually tested right now, and then it actually changed character. As long as it changed character, I can see a good reason for me to sell. Then I took the sell right here. Now my stop loss is just right at 17 pips, right? Sorry, $17. That's 170 pips. That's $17 if you are using the list loss size to target what? To target $60. That's more than three times of what I'm risking. So let's see how it plays out. I'm going to update you guys. Either profit, either loss, either break even. Plainliness. See you guys later. Hi traders. So continuation to our analysis, our trade that was running. Now this is it. Our current trade right now. Market actually came back, right, to take inducement. Now the only thing market did, why I wasn't panicking that I was still in this trade, was because I know this was an inducement which I made my first entry, and I know market has to take out that inducement before it sells. And this is what I do. This is my entry model, right? For everyone that already followed my entry model, this is what I do. This is my entry model. This is how it goes. So when you see a change of character, you always need what? Inducement. After inducement has been taken out, then you can look for your what? For your sell. This is our setup, and this is how it later plays out, right? And right now it has moved about 500 pips, right? And then right, I would, if I'm not mistaken, it's back to about 280 pips, but nothing spoiled because this is where I'm still holding my setups. This is where I'm still holding my trade to. Right now, it has already broken this level, which means I can set a break even. So as soon as I end this class, I will set a break even right here now. So I've already adjusted this, not to have any, not to make any loss, but either $0 or our profit. Then our profit is just $600. Sorry, 600 pips. That's what. If you are using the least lot size, you'll be making $60. If you are using the middle lot size, you'll be making $600. And then if you are using the standard lot size, you'll be making what? $6,000. And that is it. So until full TP it, then I'm going to post the video so that everyone can learn. Thank you guys. Hi traders. This is the current trade of the gold I took yesterday, and today is 18th of March, Wednesday. Yesterday was 17th, and currently market is doing how it's supposed to do. It's normal thing, routine thing. So, and right now I can see the market is actually trying to sell towards my take profit. Although we have it second entry right here, which during the class I gave to my students, and market hasn't tapped into it. So one thing about us is discipline, because it didn't come there, we shouldn't go for it. It should come to us before we go for it. Do you understand? So we don't attack first. It has to attack us first. Then we wait patiently to do what? To look for the weak point and then give it back. That is just how the trade goes. So right now, market is heading back to my take profit, which it's anytime soon might currently take that take profit, because I've been holding this trade since yesterday, and I just wanted to move about 600 pips, right? 600 pips. That's just my target. But currently, it is not. Not It went back and then coming again. It's not moving close to that yesterday, but today's, I think the pressure right now should, automatically clear out this level, this point right here. You automatically clear it out right today. So let's see what happens. I'm going to keep you guys updated. I've set a break even. I'm not incurring any loss. It gives me back a few dollars or $0 profit, or it gives me my full take profit. Either of it. I am going to show you, drop the screenshot of the current trade that is running right now. I'm going to drop that screenshot of my MT5 chart. So let's see what happens next. And then if market comes into this entry, right, we'll be taking another sell. Right, yes, I will be taking another sell. But as soon as market did not touch us or come to us, we are not what attacking. So let's wait till finally our TP has been smashed. So unfortunately, we were not able to take the second entry, but which is still all good, right? Because until market come into our zone before we attack it back. So this is all for today. I mean, if I see another trade, I would do another video so that everyone can see how I take trades. So see you guys later on another episode. And if you are interested in joining my mentorship, comment or send a DM. Contact us through the contact in the description box on YouTube. That is only my contact, my WhatsApp number, and my Telegram handle. You can reach me out through any of that and then sign up for our mentorship. See you guys later.